Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I want to tell you how to insert SIM card and microSD card. Guys, you have bought this new phone and you don't know where to put your SIM card and SD card in it. So don't worry, I will be completely guiding you in this video. First of all, you need a SIM ejector pin to remove the SIM slot, which is provided inside your mobile box. Insert it into the SIM hole and push. Then the SIM slot will come out slightly. If it does not come, you have to push a little harder. Pull out the slot completely by hand once it's a little bit out. This is a hybrid SIM slot. You cannot use two SIM and a microSD card at the same time. The top side is for SIM 1. I put the first SIM on the top of the slot. The metal side of the SIM card should be facing up. After placing the SIM card properly, you can put second SIM or microSD card on the other side. If you want to use the second SIM card, place it in the slot properly. After inserting the SIM, it will not fall out of the slot easily. If you want to use microSD card, first remove this SIM from the slot and then put the microSD card in this way. Guys, at the same time, you can use only two SIM card or one SIM and one memory card. I have inserted two SIM card in this slot. Now this SIM card is ready. Guys, keep SIM 1 facing up and slowly insert it into your phone. After SIM installation is done, it will take some time to catch the network signal. After that, open the phone settings. Then click on mobile network. In the network settings, you will see an interface like this in front of you. Here you can select your preferred SIM card for phone call and internet usage. If you keep the default option for calling, then a pop-up will appear every time you make a call, whether it's to SIM 1 or SIM 2. You can say direct SIM 1 or SIM 2 for phone calls. Similarly, you can also select SIM 1 or SIM 2 for internet usage. Friends, I hope this video will be very helpful for you. So don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more informative video.